You're watching Rome Tech. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this information helpful. Welcome to an exploration of the Voyager wallet. Is it safe and what's the user experience like? Find links to the Voyager wallet and other helpful resources in the description below. The Voyager wallet is built to be secure and user-friendly, catering to both cryptocurrency newcomers and seasoned veterans looking for streamlined management of their digital assets. As part of the broader Voyager platform, the wallet prioritizes a mobile-first approach and boasts support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. This makes it a compelling choice for users interested in investing in and storing a diverse portfolio of digital currencies all in one place. Regarding security, the Voyager wallet employs bank-level encryption to shield your assets. Crucially, your private keys are stored offline, minimizing the vulnerabilities associated with online attacks. For enhanced security, the wallet also incorporates two-factor authentication, 2FA, adding an additional layer of protection when accessing your wallet and authorizing transactions. While Voyager Wallet offers these robust security measures, it's important to acknowledge that it operates under centralized control. This means you're entrusting the platform with the security of your private keys and recovery information. This is a key consideration for users who prioritize fully decentralized solutions. Voyager Wallet also provides a backup and recovery feature, enabling you to regain access to your funds should your device be lost or damaged. It offers seed phrase recovery options and dedicated customer support to assist you with any challenges you might encounter. The wallet's design emphasizes user-friendliness, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a simple interface without significantly compromising security. For active traders and investors, the Voyager wallet integrates seamlessly with the Voyager trading platform, giving you the ability to buy, sell, and trade over 60 cryptocurrencies directly within the app. This integration positions the Voyager wallet as a comprehensive solution for those deeply involved in cryptocurrency trading and requiring a secure and efficient way to manage their assets. In summary, the Voyager wallet presents a safe and accessible option for users who value both convenience and security. However, it's crucial to understand that using a centralized wallet inherently carries risks associated with third-party control. For further information and to access the Voyager wallet links, be sure to check out the description below.